Yo, what's up guys? Back with another video here, and this is the Dirt Devil PowerMax Pet. I will be doing a vacuuming of this carpet here. There will be one more video going up after this one. And then yeah, I'm taking a break from videos because I'm getting really tired of doing videos. Besides, I'm doing a video right now. I really don't have to do a video right now, so I don't know why I'm doing one. Well, I guess I'll do one because you guys like me when I do videos, especially vacuums. So, anyways, this is Dirt Devil PowerMax Pet model UD70167. Pretty explanatory. I've done so many freaking videos on this thing already. But anyways, I'll just be vacuuming this small area. This will be a short video, and then I'll be doing another. The last video will be this vacuum right here, so stay tuned for that. So after this video, I'll do a video on that vacuum over there. So, here we go. So yeah, this is just going to be like a 5-minute video of the Dirt Devil PowerMax, because I will be doing one more video of that vacuum right there. Alright, so that's the Dirt Devil PowerMax pet. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hit the like button if you did. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Comment down below. I love reading comments, so comment down below on what videos you would like to see. Also, comment down below that you subscribed and hit the notification bell and did all that stuff. So comment down below if you did all that. And yeah, that does it for this video. Just a quick 5-minute video. And until next time, guys, peace.